हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रिस्ट्रेनिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, एनिमल हैंडलिंग एंड रिस्ट्रेन। एनिमल रिस्ट्रेन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ preventing an animal from action or motion. Animal may require restraint for examination, treatment and milking. Restraint can be achieved simply by moral precautions, by physical force and by chemical means. Safety during animal handling. Step first, clothing. The examiner should wear loose clothes, avoid bright clothes, wear proper suit. Health condition. If the examiner is unhealthy or suffering from any disease, there is a strong possibility that his illness becomes severe. Approaching. No sudden movement while approaching. The examiner should approach from the left or right side of the animal. Restraint techniques. Roof is the most cheapest and easy tool for restraining large or small animals. Examiner must be familiar with basic roof or work. Examiner should know some quick and easy knots. Head and tail raising techniques. This technique are applied to prevent animal from kicking or hitting the examiner with tail during the examination. Lead raising, tail raising, front leg tie. Head restraint techniques. A halter is used to restrain the head of the animal for necessary movements. Also, the hoop is light to the nose ring so that animal do not show any restraint. Casting or throwing. If you don't have crush and you want to trim the hooves of animal, this technique is useful. Nose lead techniques. This technique is majority used to restrain male cattle that kept for breeding and beef purpose. In this method, metal ring is fixed between the wall of the two nostrils, which contain sensitive tissue and restrain the animal from unnecessary movements. Cattle crush techniques. A cattle crush is a strongly built cage for holding animals safely, which they are examined or given veterinary treatment. Cattle crush used a current of 9 volt so that 9 animal did not hit on the wall or crush. Milking hobble techniques. Metal hobble, roof hobble. The animal are tied using a roof or a metal hobble so that animal did not kick. This is done in animal when milking or when going to give birth. Restraint techniques for sheep and goat. Do not attempt to keep sheep or goat from moving by pulling on its head, horn or head. He will quickly become excited or resist. Restraint between legs. Restraining the animal between the handler's leg and squeezing the sheep shoulder between the legs. Restraint for poultry. Pass middle finger between the legs and the finger slightly separate apart the support of the body. Other hand can be used for examination. Another method used to handle poultry is to place one hand under the chest and the bird and place it in between the chest and arm. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum.